Welcome to Mitsubishi Electric Factory in Nagoya, Japan, where technology and precision, harmony in every movement, and where these powerful BA-phase motors were born. From the smallest detail, the journey begins with steel plates. I thought it was inanimate. They're bent, the tight row that forms the solid shell of the industrial heart. With the help of intelligent industrial robots, each row is completed with absolute precision. One deviation. After removing impurities, engine frame coated with anti-rust paint. It's like a protective shield over the years. The next stage is the formation of the iron core, magnetic heart of the motor. Here 400T press machine, the largest in Japan, take care of punching and shaping every detail with enormous pressure. Each detail is intricately hand-assembled. Stator coal insulation slot. Each of these turns at high speed, all to ensure stable electrical conductivity and performance. Superior. The coals are fastened firmly. Insert the protective tube before the next step. They have to pass a resistance test. Rotational insulation is all not allowed fall. Steel is cut at the same time and turn it into a millisecond precision axis. Each diameter. Each surface is thoroughly inspected. One scratch is ignored. The shaft and core are heated above 300 degrees Celsius. Provides ideal expansion. Just in the moment, two important parts are connected into a unified whole. The car is then perfectly balanced by just a small deviation. It can also disrupt the stability of the entire system. Final coating, finish and inspection. Vibration helps ensure smooth operation as the wind passes through the propeller. BA motors are fully assembled to go through the final test of both electricity, performance and form. Only qualified products newly allowed to leave the BA line. The last layer of paint is covered like a goodbye. After drying, official phase BA engine ready to enter the world to serve the factories, industrial systems and the modern future. From inanimate steel plates to vivid machines, every motive carries in its heart the technology and pride of Mitsubishi Electric. Thank you for following this wonderful journey.